Hi everyone, I'm back with another video. Today I'm here to do a felt destash. I have accumulated tons of felt. I don't know why. I was thinking my kids' crafts, when they were younger. They're now going to be in high school. Well, my daughter's in high school and my son is in middle school, and they don't do any felt projects or anything like that. So I want to just get rid of all the felt items I have. And it is cheap. I am not trying to recoup any money for it. So I have these red felt envelopes that I think this came from Target. I've had in my stash forever, and this would be great for Valentine's Day. I just don't use them. I have some felt leaves. These are like maple leaves. I have some turkeys. And I think there's some pumpkins or jack-o'-lanterns with googly eyes on them. Now I'm just taking it out of this bag, and this is the bag. That's how much stuff is in there. I have more sunflower felties. There's some gifts, some more pumpkins, more leaves. There's a pumpkin in the back here. So you'll get those. These also came from Target. I never use them, and I bought a ton of them. But these would be really nice to add to a wand, or I don't know. I just don't know anymore. I have these cute little sweet treats. I think this came from AC Moore, and I think I used some of them. So there's those. And then here are some other felt shapes that I have in my stash. These are old stuff I've had in my stash forever. These came from Queen and Company. So there's a baby and a swirl, and here's a baseball. What is that? A baseball. Okay, and then I have these felt adhesive strips. And then I have a ton of felt sheets, all different colors. There's some purple ones, brown, yellow. Hold on, I have some more. I have all different felt sheets. This is on the bottom. So I am asking $20 shipped for all of these felty products. If you're interested, my email is down below. It is PayPal only, friends and family only. Yeah. I'll have my email down below so you can send me your information for PayPal, and yeah. So I will be back with another Destash, everyone. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.